Wow, that was intense. I still have goosebumps. So, how do we move on from the graveyard to Don Juan triumphant?
Imagine this. The opera house is buzzing because it's the night of the premiere. The atmosphere is charged with excitement and dread.
The chief fire officer is briefing his men. Raul, Andre and Foreman are overseeing everything, ready to capture the phantom.
So they think they've got everything under control. But now you know that the phantom is always one step ahead.
As the curtain rises on the new play, Don Juan triumphant. Every note, every motion, and every movement counts. So let's make it a night to remember!
So, are we all ready to catch the phantom?
Yes, sir. The shooters are in position. You understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
You see this whistle. When you hear this whistle blow, take up your positions. I shall then instruct you to secure all doors. It is essential that all doors are properly secured.
Andre, are we doing the right thing?
Do you have any better ideas for me?
Monsieur le Vicomte, am I to give the order?
Give the order.
You, in the pit, do you have a clear view of that box?
Yes, sir.
Remember, when the time comes, shoot. Only if you have to. But shoot to kill.
Raul, are you certain that this will work? Will Miss Dye sing?
Will she sing?
Don't worry, Foreman.
Monsieur, my men are in position.
Go ahead then.
Are all doors secured?
Secure!
Secured.
No thoughts within her head, but thoughts.
I am here, the Phantom of the Opera.
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 I am here.
Christine, are you okay?
Foreman,
Andre?
are you okay?
You fool! You'll kill someone! I said only when the time comes.
But Raul...
No buts. For once, Raul is actually right.
This plan was a huge failure.
What did I tell you?
Chief, what are men doing? I have to tell them.
Despite all the hope and the planning, they still failed to get rid of the phantom.
Yes, they now have no choice but to go ahead with Phantom's new play, Don Juan, where Christine plays the main lead.
But here is a twist about the Phantom.
What happens next? Tell me right now.
Well, your wish is my command. Watch and enjoy this thrilling climax!
No thoughts within her head, but thoughts of joy. No dreams within her heart, but dreams of love.
Say you'll share with me one love, one lifetime. Lead me, save me from my solitude. Say you want me here, beside you. Anywhere you go, take me to. Christine, that's all I ask of you.
This is not Don Juan. This is Phantom. This is Phantom.
Oh, Christine!
Piyachi is dead! Can anyone help? Oh my god, Piyachi! Piyachi is dead! Piyachi! How could this happen? Just only Piyachi! Piyachi, wake up! Oh my darling, wake up, Piyachi!
Oh my god, Piyanji is dead.
Piyachi!
Oh my god.
My darling, wake up! Why did you let this happen? Tell me why! Why did you let this happen?
It's not my mistake, he died.
Piyachi! Piyachi! Who did this?
Raul, come with me. I know where they are.
What? Can I trust you?
You must. But remember to be careful.
Careful? But why?
Why? The magical lasso, sir. It's first bouquet and now Piyanji. Come with me. Do as I say. Hurry or we shall be too late.
Piyachi, wake up.
He's too heavy.
Piyachi,
He was a good man.
He died too soon.
We don't get paid this much. Going down again into the depths of my despair, heading into the prison of my mind, into darkness as deep as hell. You might wonder why I'm here. Not for any wrongdoing, but because of my ugly face. Track him down!
Find this murderer!
Quiet! Quiet! Everyone hates me. Everyone's against me. No one's on my side. Christine. See, why won't you help me? Why me? Why?
He lives across the lake, sir. This is as far as I dare to go.
Thank you, madam. Find him!
Track down this murderer! Hunt down this maniac! He's causing trouble for too long!
But now we know the Phantom of the Opera
Is he there?
lurking here.
Over there.
Track him down! Find him!
Find him!
Find him.
Have you satisfied a thirst for blood? Am I your next target?
His face, the one that forced me to this mask, the one that terrified my mother, the one that ruins our love. Look ahead. See your fate. An eternity with this face ahead of you.
This haunted face holds no horror for me now. It wasn't your face because of which I rejected you, but it was your black soul.
Wait. I think, my dear, there's someone amongst us. Sir, this is indeed an unparalleled delight. I'd hope you'd come now. And now, my wishes come true. You have truly made my night.
Free her. Do what you like with me, but free her. Have you no pity?
Your friend here makes a passionate plea.
Please, Raul. It's useless. I love her. Does that mean nothing to you? I love her. Show some compassion.
The world showed me no compassion, but did you think I would harm her? Why should she pay for your sins?
Raul! Please, Raul!
Nothing can save you now, except perchance Christine. Buy his freedom with your love. Refuse me and send him to his grave. This is the choice. This is the point of no return.
The tears I might have shed for your dark fate now grow cold and turn into tears of hate.
No No point in fighting. Too late for prayers. Too late for useless pity. Too late for turning back. For either ways you choose, you cannot win.
Farewell, my fallen idol and false friend. We had such hopes, and now those hopes are shattered.
So, do you send him to his grave or start a new life with me?
Say you love me, and my life is over. Either way you choose, he has to win.
This is the choice. This is the point of no return. Make your decision.
Why make a lie to you? To save me?
Christine, decide.
For pity's sake, Christine, say no. Don't throw your life for my sake. Nora, I fought so hard to free you. You deceived me.
You try my patience. Make your choice.
You poor thing, living in darkness. What kind of life have you had? God help me find the strength to show you that I'm not alone.
Christine, forgive me. Take her. Forget me. Forget all of this. Take her. Go now. Don't let them find you. Don't tell anyone about this angel you know in hell. Go. Christine.
Here, Phantom. Cannot keep this anymore. Take the ring.
Christine, I love you. You alone can make my song take flight. It is all over. The music of the night.
In sleep he sang to me, in dreams he came, that voice that calls to me and knows my name. And do I dream again, or do I find the phantom of the opera is here inside our mind?
before you for the last time in 2024. The stars of the Phantom of the Opera.
As we come to the close of what has been a truly magical and memorable annual day celebration, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to our principal ma'am, Dr. Jyotsna Mayadas, for her unwavering support and guidance. Her vision and leadership have been instrumental in making today's event a resounding success. Thank you, ma'am, for your constant motivation and for believing in the potential of each student.
A heartfelt thank you to our dear Vice Principal Ma'am, Ms. Ruchika Pareba, for her meticulous planning. Her attention to detail has ensured that every aspect of this event has been executed flawlessly.
We would also like to express our sincere appreciation to our coordinator ma'am, Ms. Swati Tiwari. Her coordination and organizational skills have been pivotal in managing today's program. Thank you for your tireless efforts and for always being there to support our students and teachers.
To our talented and dedicated teachers, thank you for your unwavering commitment to nurturing and guiding us students. Your encouragement and support have been vital in helping us to develop our skills and confidence.
A special thank you to our school's backbone, our very own support staff and the admin department. Your behind-the-scenes efforts are what keep the school running smoothly, and your contributions to today's event have been invaluable. Thank you for your hard work and dedication. We would like to extend a heartfelt thank you to our choreographers for visualizing the entire concept and giving such beautiful dances to the students to tap their feet on.
To my dear fellow students, you have truly outdone yourselves today. Your performances were nothing short of spectacular, and it was evident that you poured your hearts and souls into each act. Lastly but most importantly, a huge thank you to our parents. Your unwavering support and encouragement mean the world to us. Your presence here today is a testament to your commitment towards the growth and development in every child's life. As we conclude this event, let us continue to nurture and support the talents within our school community. And may we always strive for excellence in all our endeavors. I request everybody to please stand for the national anthem.
May I request all the parents to be seated? Now I'll start with the dispersal. I request 9A parents to go towards the mural area near the canteen area to pick your children. Grade 9A towards the mural area. Now I request grade 9F parents to go towards the Eden Wood, gate number 2 to pick your ward. Gate number 2 adjacent to Eden Wood, 9F parents. Now I request grade 12 A, B, C to go towards the canteen area. Grade 12 A, B and C. Now I request grade 10B towards the right hand side of the stage, exit area. 10B parents.
I'd request grade 11A and B parents to move towards the canteen area, please. Grade 11A and B parents. Grade 9C. Please move to gate number 2, which is adjacent to Eden Woods. Gate number 2. Grade 9C parents, please. Grade 10A, please move to the canteen area. Grade 10A parents.